Good morning to all the beautiful souls. Welcome once again to the new day full of hopes and excitement. Let's see what is the hidden message for all of us as today's guidance. The first message is recovery. If you were going through any kind of health challenges or any kind of financial challenges, then there is no need to worry about. This is the time to get recovered from any kind of pain, health related, finances related, work related, or I can say relationship related. There are blessings in your way. You are going to recover very soon in any kind of pain you were going through. So just feel relaxed, make yourself comfortable, and welcome the new change, the healthy changes in your life because you are going to recover very soon. And the second card is forgiveness. If you have any kind of hard feelings in your mind, in your heart, then please let go any kind of hard feelings that are not serving you. अगर किसी को माफ़ करने की ज़रूरत है, आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपने माइंड में इकट्ठा करके रखी हुई हैं, then please let them go all at once. उन सब लोगों को माफ़ कीजिए जिनके लिए आपने कहीं हार्ड फीलिंग्स रखी हुई हैं, और अपने आप को माफ़ कीजिए इफ़ यू आर अगर आपको अपने लिए कोई ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको गिल्ट फील करा रही हैं, जो आपको बुरा फील कराती हैं, आप अपने अंदर बहुत सारी कमियां ढूंढते हैं, देन प्लीज़ start doing forgiveness with others and with yourself as well, because with forgiveness you will recover more soon. An angel of faith is with you. Have some faith. Things are going to change in your for your highest good. जो भी होगा आपकी लाइफ में अच्छा होगा. एंजल्स आर गिविंग यू द डायरेक्शन. प्लीज़ ट्राई टू नोटिस वेयर दे आर डायरेक्टिंग एंड हैव सम फेथ ऑन योर मास्टर्स, ऑन योर गुरु, ऑन योर गॉड. किसी भी गॉड पे, जिस पे भी आप ट्रस्ट करते हैं, प्लीज़ हैव सम फेथ. भरोसा रखिए कि भगवान हमेशा ठीक करते हैं, और कुछ ना कुछ बदलाव अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ में नज़र आ रहे हैं, कुछ चीज़ें बहुत हार्डशिप दे रही हैं, देन थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू चेंज. यू आर गोइंग टू रिकवर फ्रॉम एनी काइंड ऑफ पेन्स. यू जस्ट नीड टू फॉरगिव अदर्स एंड योर सेल्फ इफ़ यू आर स्टक इन not forgetting the things you have done, not forgetting the past mistakes of others also. Please delete all the files from your life, from your mind, which are making you feel stuck in pain, and have some faith. Angel of faith is with you. She is directing you. Look into the direction they are directing upon and just surrender to the angels. They are going to give you the best of your life. I hope the message is clear. You are going to recover very soon from any kind of pain, financial, work, relationship, and health as well. And to recover, you need to give forgiveness. You need to do the forgiveness with others and with yourself. An angel of faith is already with you. He is directing you, she is directing you. Just look upon the signs they are giving you and follow the paths. I hope the message is clear. Thank you so much once again for watching the video. Wish you all a very, very, very happy festive season. May God bless you all. Enjoy the season of festivals. I love you all. God bless you all. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, stay smiling always. Thank you so much.